Oh, go on, my viewers and subscribers. How you guys doing? Hope you guys have a blessed day. Yeah, man. People, I have this video for showing you guys. People, I want to look at this video and tell me what these police officers are doing, if it is right or wrong. It's the first I see something like this, people. Right? It's the first. People, please watch this video to the end.
Come here, go court. I say a badge number. I see a badge number for you.
So what I do? So in case I like.
Officer, now I get me, I make a video, you know. Come here, go court and stuff, you know.
Just step up and video.
Okay, yeah, man. You know, I make a video, go court and stuff. Yes, sir. Them say me not have no carrier's license. Yeah. Gail, pull my chunk for me. Pull my chunk for me.
Me never know still. That's a meeting.
Alright. So, this is where the officer say my charge me for carry my private vehicle. Me look a small tool pan. Yeah. So this is what me get. No carrier. So me have no carrier's license. I carry my tool pan in the back of my car. So I can't carry a load in my car. So I'm supposed to just travel with my car empty. Basically.
My viewers and subscribers, you see that? Want to see that? Police are give man ticket for a toolbox and I make him know say you watch her. Him and a carrier license. People, how them police come from? How them get them police from? Hitler camp? No. People, me never see something like this yet. People, then squad here go out of line. People, judge and know people. People, suppose you have a car and you go to the supermarket and buy a portion of grocery and you're going home. Police will stop you and I'll see the grocery in the back of your car. They'll ticket for it. And tell us about bonafide on a carrier license. People, judge and no star. The police force need to rearrange, right? And they need some police inside there need to go back to training school. Yeah, man, people. So yeah, my viewers and subscribers, I have a voice note, people, coming from a soldier or some squad buck him out on the road, people. It's me say, and all the squad them deal with him, ticket him, people. Listen to voice note, yeah. Please subscribe and like and share this video, people. I'm out.
Boy, gents, bumbo clot. You fuck we start with the police, them brother. We just get a 10 grand ticket, bro. Yo, brother, you know, say, usually me don't have no issue with police by road, but boy, I don't know. This evening different, bro. The man them stop me, and the police I say, yo, if you look through my windshield and see if we can see the back seats, I say no, we can't see the back seat because at the time of day, it's dark now. But in the day you can't see through it. Then I say, yo, it says suppose you can see through the windshield from 150 meters and him there. You're not even there 5 meters good in front of the car and he can't see that. So I say, alright, cool, him there and him ask me. If me have nothing to declare, so I not sure about I'm a soldier and I'm there. I say, yo, no, I don't carry no weapons, I don't nothing illegal on board, none of that. I read out the speed, that's me. So, I see him look for me away and I say, the next one come over. And one of them come hail me and he must say, oh, go on, no boss. You know, because him recognize me because we sit up on the road together. So him go to the brother and he must say, yo, I saw you, The man say, yo, I'm in a business. Man say, yo, write the ticket. I say, yo, Jaja, watch out. Just take me little ticket and just lock my tail and cut ya, man.